Hey guys, Alex here with another My Singing Monsters video. So, in my last video, we talked about my little problem about the Earth Island Castle upgrade. And this is part 2, sort of that conversation. But that's all I'm going to be, the beginning of the video is going to be part 2 of the conversation. So, let's go. As you can see, after I collect, I lost almost all of my money. I used to have about 40,000. Good thing is, let's go to my Earth Island and check something out. As you can see, I have him now. Great for me. 10. So, my friend asked me to put Gold Island on my Gold Island on the video. So, I don't have very many monsters, but it'd be awesome if you could still like it, because it took me about 5 months to get my Deej on the Gold Island. It was very hard. These guys, the other guys except the Deej, it took me about 2 days per guy. So yeah, it took me a long time to get this far. But the Deej is the first monster on my Gold Island ever. I really like what the Deej's sound is. So, just in case you guys want to use my referral code, I'm gonna go to my friend list. Please, don't, wait, okay. Do not add yourself on the list, because you can see that code. Do not add yourself. Just comment your friend code in the video. I'll friend you. Write down your username and your friend code. And then, if I maybe want to make you like a fan, then I can. But I just want to show you all this guy's Plant Island. It's pretty good, I'd say. I haven't seen this guy's Plant Island in a while, so I'm not sure what's on here. The same as last time, it looks like. Yep. But, as you can see, he has his ghast right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoa. So, let's go to one more person's island. I don't have his friend code, but I can because he's my neighbor. So there, level 17. His, I'd say his Plant Island would have to be the best. That's almost everyone's best because they're so good at, because it's your first island and you do everything on it, basically. But that's not as good as I remember it. Huh. Alrighty then. Well, I'll still like it. He's my friend. He's my friend. But, so, as you can see, that's the Deej. I don't know how. Some people claim they have a Deej on their Plants and Air Island, but I've checked every friend list I have. I've checked their island, and they don't, because it's a lie. It's impossible. The Deej can only be placed on the Cold Islands. That is it. So now, let's go to my water island and check something out. You can see my hatching is empty. Nothing. Do I have a scratch? Or did I already do it for today? I don't know. You can see right there, that is a shell beat. Right there, that's a shell beat. My next step in island castle upgrading is the second upgrade for the water island castle. The cost of the Earth Island is how much this castle's upgrade costs. And that's what I'm saving up for. So, and then I will be at Comfortable Castle, I believe. And now let's go to my Earth Island and I'll show you something that I'm doing right now. It costed me 2,500,000 coins, but I am upgrading this castle, the Comfortable Castle, to, I believe, one before. Now, before we come off the video, before the video ends, we're going to go to my little brother's island. He is 6 years old, and I'd say he's pretty good for being 6 years old. For being 6 years old, he's pretty good at this game. He already has more sugar bushes than me. Not hatched, but he has more sugar bushes on his plant island. He has more than me. I have 2. And, you can see right there, he has 1. Where's his other one? Ooh, there it is. There's the other one. And then, right there, is the egg of 1. So he has 3, pretty good for a 6-year-old. He has the metal castle on this island only. Thought I could click on it for a second, but I can't. But I do have more ghasts than him, because I have 1. He has 0. And more hulas than him, because I have 5, and he has 0. I didn't believe this when I heard it, but then I checked it out, and it actually is true. There is only 1 more week that you can get the hula, which kind of sucks for my little brother, because he has only a small chance of getting one now. But if he does, wish him good luck on getting himself a hula. Although he will have to sell. No. He can have a riff, pom-pom, get a pango, and I believe still have 1 more bed. Because he only has the second upgrade, basically the modest castle. I have the Comfortable Castle on this side. And on the island before this, I have the metal castle. And on the island before that, I also have the metal castle. Oh, stomachache. The extravagant castle. Extravagant on cold. There it is. There we go. Well, that's it for this episode. Bye, guys. Oops.